Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to prevent message effects and animations in chats on the Telegram app for PC. If you've noticed that Telegram recently introduced new message effects and animated reactions in chats, you might have found them distracting or unnecessary. The good news is, there's a quick way to turn them off so your chats feel cleaner and smoother. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any interruptions. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. A sidebar menu will appear with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization tools for Telegram on PC. Inside the Settings menu, scroll through until you find the option called Battery and Animations. That's the section we need to adjust the chat effects. Click on it to open the available options. Now, in the Battery and Animations section, you'll see a feature labeled Animations in Chats. This is where Telegram controls all the movement and effects inside your conversations. Click on Animations in Chats, and you'll notice a checkbox that says Effects in Messages. To stop these effects from showing in your chats, simply uncheck that box. This change will turn off all the animated effects that pop up within messages, making your chats more static and distraction-free. After unchecking it, don't forget to click Save. This step makes sure your new settings stay in place every time you use Telegram. That's it. You've successfully prevented message effects and animations in chats on the Telegram PC app. From now on, your chats will feel faster, simpler, and easier to read without all the extra animations. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to share it with someone who uses Telegram but prefers a cleaner chat experience. Thanks for watching.